Welcome back again. Just gonna do a little hike into 2 waterfalls after work. Knock 2 more off my list. We're here at the trailhead to Devil's Hills Falls. Got the 2 ladies with me today. Let's see if we can get some energy out of them. This is not a far hike in. I've been to this waterfalls numerous times, but we got to go in now and get the QR code. So we'll see you shortly. Like I said, I've been here numerous times. It's right on the ATV trail. So we go here quite often. Nice little spot. Turn the camera around and we'll have a peek. I don't know where they hid the QR code. The dogs are ready to head down. They might have put it up on the bridge, which is possible, I'm not sure. Angle this down a little bit. Oh, there it is there. This rope's new since the last time I've been here. But here's our QR code. Let's get another one knocked off the list. Alright, scan code. Bing. There we go, look at that. Devil's Hills Falls. What does that give me? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9. Got 3 more to go. I got Lower North River Falls, Ishkaban Falls. Those 2 I plan to do this weekend. And Rotary Park, I'm going to do that on the way home. Let's explore around and get some pictures and some video. As I say, everywhere as I go, there's garbage. We'll take that out with us. Another one completed. Devil's Hills Falls. I think I'm going to head out a different way. I'm going to follow the river down, or the brook. See what else we find. At least, what a goofball. What a goofball. Alright, Luce, come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Nope, nope, not up there. Come on, we're coming down here. We're going to go down the river. Go ahead. Come on, girls. Let's go. Oh, wow. That's a big jump. Do her up. Do it. Going? Yeah. I never realized these little falls just down from the bigger ones. And I've been here tons of times. All right, it's my turn to jump. Look out. Ugh, here we go. I need a picture for that. Makes things a little more interesting. You know, just following the water down. Oh, look at that. That rock oak crop, I guess you'd call it. It's like a tree growing with it. Two trees down here. We'll have to climb over these guys. Oh, right, yeah, come on through, yeah. It was your turn, I guess. Okay. I'm gonna turn it off and turn it back on in a little bit. I'm getting back down to the road now. Alright, we're just about out. We're going to get back in the truck and head to Rotary Park Falls. That's just up and around the corner from my house. I've never been to it. I didn't even know about it until this challenge, Waterfalls Cape Breton Challenge, came about. So, I'll see you shortly. We just got to the Rotary Trail Waterfalls trailhead. Just gonna head in with the two girls now. They got me all tangled up. They're pulling me along. They're gonna knock me over. We'll see in a bit. I'm not sure we're ever gonna get there with these two. The smells that they're smelling. Here's a little map of the trail system. Park closed at dusk. No camping. Oh, darn it. Well, let's put our tents back. Oh yeah, they're pulling me along, that's for sure. I think we found it. Sounds like it. This way. Come on, girls. Let's go. Not sure where the QR code is. We're gonna we'll go down here and have a peek. This way. Come on. This way. Let's go. I'm gonna unbuckle this leash. Just push so they don't drop me. Pull me down the hill. Come on. Let's go. So I take this as it. Sounds cool. Well, let's find our QR code. I'm gonna take it this is it. If it is, it's sad. It hasn't been up that long. Look at the graffiti on it. Yep, this is it. So I'll get my phone out and scan this one. Bye. Oh, it's another one down. Green Link, Rotary Trail Falls. Neat. It's always been in my backyard. I've never seen it. I've walked all around these trails and never noticed that. But that's it for today. Please like and subscribe for future videos. And take care.